Let's solve this quadratic equation by completing the square, so I'll begin by subtracting 160 from both sides. That's x squared minus 26x, I'm going to leave a space, is equal to negative 160. And now let's find the number that completes the square. To do so, we take half of this coefficient, half of negative 26 is negative 13, and then we square that result. What is the square of negative 13? That's negative 13 times negative 13. That's a positive 169. I can't just add 169 to this side without also doing it to the other side, so plus 169. Now what does that do? It is the number that now makes this a perfect square trinomial. If you factor it, it factors as x minus 13 times x minus 13, or x minus 13 quantity squared is equal to, and then this is positive 9. Notice I'm all set up now to use the square root property. I have some variable expression squared equal to a number, so it is true that x minus 13 is equal to plus or minus the square root of whatever that number is, plus or minus the square root of 9. Or we'll have that x is equal to, I am now adding 13 to both sides to isolate x is equal to 13 plus or minus the square root of 9 is 3. Now let's actually find these numbers. X is equal to 13 plus 3, which is 16, and also x is equal to 13 minus 3, which is 10. So this original equation has two solutions, 16 and 10.